Hi guys, welcome back to the Homemade Chef Cooking. For today's recipe, I'll be making the tasty bean soup recipe. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So guys, keep on watching. This is a quick, fast version of bean recipe by using cool baked beans. To begin, put all in a frying pan. Set on low heat. I have already diced in the vegetables. You add in the onion. Then I'm gonna go in with garlic. Stir and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Stir. Then I'm gonna go in and add the diced carrots. Then I'm gonna keep on mixing, gently mixing all the vegetables that I'm cooking here. And I'm gonna go in with the tomato. Stir, gently stir, mix. Then I go in with the green bell pepper. Then gently keeping on mixing, gently frying on low heat here. Then I'm gonna add in the remaining ingredients, that is my seasonal beef cube. Then I'm gonna mix it in there for taste. So here you can add your chili pepper if hotter taste is desired. Then gently mix everything all together in there. Mix everything in there. Mix. Then lastly, I'm gonna add in the remaining ingredients, that is my baked cool beans. Beans are high in fiber, which helps your heart health and also for digestion. Beans are also high in iron. Gently mix all the ingredients all together in there. Set on low heat while gently mixing in everything there. Don't add too much salt on cooking beans because there is enough in the canned beans. Now it's ready to be served, and please guys, do enjoy. Try this at home. So tasty, beautiful. Love this bean soup recipe. You can't go wrong with it.